Hi, this is Katie with Performance Tech Academy, and we'll be showing you how to do an oil change. Before you get under your vehicle, you're going to want to take off your oil cap. It will allow your oil to drain faster and more efficiently. Once you're under the vehicle, you're going to want to locate your oil filter and your oil drain plug. Once you locate your oil drain plug, you're going to want to position your pan and start the oil draining process. Once your oil is done draining, you want to replace the plug and then move your pan under your filter and begin replacing your filter. A little tip is you might have to use a tool because the filter might be too tight. When installing your new filter, make sure the old gasket is properly removed and make sure your new gasket is looped up in order for it not to stick and for it to properly seal. Once you finish installing your new oil filter, you are going to want to fill up your engine with the appropriate oil according to your owner's manual. Once you've filled your engine with the appropriate oil, check your dipstick and make sure it's at the right level. Once again, that's how to do an oil change. If you have any questions or you want to enroll, please give us a call.